Tired of dull hair? Learn to make your own hair perfume for amazing smelling hair all day. DIY hair perfume keeps your locks fresh and fragrant using natural ingredients, avoiding harsh chemicals. Let's gather what you'll need for this simple and fun DIY project. You'll need rose water as your base for its gentle scent and essential oils for your chosen fragrance. And of course, a small spray bottle to mix and apply your hair perfume easily. Now for the fun part, mixing your customized hair perfume. Measure your rose water and carefully add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Start with a small amount and add more to your liking. Once all ingredients are in, gently shake the bottle to combine them thoroughly. Let's talk about the best way to apply your new hair perfume for lasting freshness. Spray onto dry hair, focusing on the ends and mid-lengths to distribute the scent evenly without saturating the roots. Avoid spraying directly onto your scalp for a lighter feel and to prevent any oiliness. And there you have it. Your own DIY hair perfume for fresh, amazing smelling hair. It's an easy and natural way to keep your hair smelling fantastic all day long. Enjoy!